This is our dream house. It's very big.
It looks great.
There's a bedroom, a dining room, and a kitchen downstairs.
There's a bathroom and a living room upstairs.
What's in the kitchen?
There's a table and an armchair. There are some cupboards too.
Is there a jug on the table?
No, there isn't. But there's a plate and there are some biscuits.
Yum. I love biscuits.
Me too. What's in the living room?
There's a sofa. There isn't an armchair.
Is there a rug?
Yes, there is. It's blue. I like our house.
Me too.